Hi, it's Damon with Simplero Support, and in this video I want to show you how to configure a custom email domain so that you can send emails, system-generated emails from that domain in Simplero. So what we're going to do is go to Settings, Sender Emails, and click on Add Email Domain. And right away you'll get the instructions of what you'll need to do. So we'll need to add 3 TXT records and 3 CNAME records into the registrar's DNS. So wherever you've purchased this custom domain, you would find the DNS area and add these records. So the example I'm going to do is a test site I've called athletemob.com. That's a domain that I have. I'm going to add that domain, and then you'll see the 6 records, the 3 TXT records and the 3 CNAME records that I need to add to my site's DNS. And you'll find the DNS wherever you've purchased this domain. So I've purchased athletemob.com with Google domains, but yours could be Bluehost, it could be GoDaddy, it could be a number of others. But every single one will have a DNS. So I'm going to click over to Google Domains, and I'm in the particular domain, athletemob.com, find the DNS area, and I scroll down and I find an area to add the custom records. So I am going to add all 6 of these records, and I can copy from there, and I want a TXT record. I want nothing in there, and I want to paste that in there and add that one. That one is added. We'll add the second one, which that gets copied in that area, a TXT record, and then I copy that and paste that in there, add. So you can see now we have a TXT record with the name of this and the data of that. And finally, for the TXT record, I want to copy that, paste it in. We are adding a TXT record. I want to copy that and paste it in, add that. Great, now all my TXT records are added. Now we'll do the same for the CNAME. So now instead of selecting TXT, I select CNAME, copy that in there, copy this one. We'll get the next one, copy that in there. I want a CNAME, copy that, add that one. And finally, I want to get the last one. I want a CNAME record, and then I want to copy that and paste it in here and add. Okay, so we've added all 6 necessary records, 3 TXT, 3 CNAME, and as this note indicates, well, if I do check domain, 2 are verified and 3 are not yet verified. As this note indicates right here, it can take up to 24 hours for the records to update. So we'll come back in a second. Okay, we're back, and you can see that all of the CNAME and TXT records are now verified, and as a result, the Athlete Mob sender domain is verified, and I'm ready to send emails. I can now send a sender email, damon@athletemob.com, save the changes there, and that is going to send me an email to damon@athletemob.com, and if I click on that link, I'll be able to verify this email. So that is how you set up a custom domain to send emails, and we've done that all in under 5 minutes. Good luck.